Hanamta introduction Tawjage. Delhi, ma'am, like Habi, Miss Manipur organization get director with the Labene, Aduga, I Sonia, I Sama Miss Manipur organization get manager, Adudagi Prem, Adai Shurchan, Adai Rakesh, Moy Akogi executive members Natane, Adagi Akogi photographer Pandiras. Noi ga diloina close na watane adu atopa khoi laktaba amani sulai adum achin ga thabak ke ka laina badagi laktaba hai tare ko akhoina parents sing guardians sing kaujaba gi samlappa khara haijage akhoi gi competition se seng na harabada winner ya ma khatang ne ba aduga competition sin loi loi ba haite habagi kemta na te numitu gi daw yaruba adudagi numitu ne hena phazaruba atai matam dagi hena noina training manung da phazana tawraga su numitu ne hena mai pa ki ba mi gi daw habam su laidana adu chana ki ba ko pa dum bada winner oi ki badi am khatan Miss Manipur organization na Miss Manipur sinjari se 2016 dai sinjara koneba atai sida akoina difficulties na ma thengna kanda ngasi sigi condition sida akoi luxury neba aduda parents in support of bio icha singna pamdana sumaina moina chansan jari basida hantak winner oi draga su atopa mafam matopa area da winner oi ba aba mafam da adum henda sisina platform amani khanbira kanda sidai sidai gi step ama kakhat pane na khanbira kanda ninghan na ba su tau tau dana icha singda adai naw singda phajana guideline PPO puming thaugat pi bemohta seran turan kaidawagi ai zadagi ai zana hele loi khanai nga ta neba ai zadai hen ba kana yaugi ne du da tawra maningda akhoi backstage ta ka ekta karan tarapa event silingai manung da tawba yam yawa aduna akhoi se legal agreement ama khatang yam chamna ko ama akhoi chemja bane si every year tawe dum adu amtang sign tawbiyo no khazna para kana sign tawbiyo num yaninga ne su khalle adu akoina Miss Manipur organization na ngasi phawbada sinjara iba chahi hataka mari raksu basida ngasi phawbada akoina misang mikhai naiba either tribal either Muslim either Meitei adugumba kaim laite most deserving candidate na adum winner oijasano aduga sesida akoi ma'am adum yanaba amo oiseba
organization sigi matang da or beauty pageant sigi matang da ko gise purpose lay mission lay aduga vision ma lay ko form thara kan audition lo ke direct akoina grand finale to guna te ko unlike other beauty pageants sing adum haija ke ko da akogi purpose se kain haba matam da to empower Manipuri women ko to take them out of their shells and giving them chances to discover their potential through a competitive yet collaborative effort ko help them in building confidence through professional and various opportunities ko thokninga ga thokpa phangda ba gum ma ma thengna ba weta sing aduga ta sen akhoi Miss Manipur se atoba khina khena bhaiga khoine adum strictly follow to bunina Miss Manipur haide ki ba mya oi ba you know ta sen I'm to be very honest like atoba no pimsa yaw da ba ma na no da ta sen they really look up to you guys and that so feel proud of it aduga ta sen akhoi side gi su yamna genuinely adum judgment or kana aduga judgment gi matang da aiga Soniaga or akhoi organization gi site gi kain ta yaw de ba khana we don't have the right aduna akhoi judge ni is ka in haba matam da haidi keno se deserving candidate to khana bai dam da mo gi mark to the best ro ka khansa bane ba no me chita taw ya ki ba ai mai han gi performance ho je akhoi gi no gi program list uramani ko chara ko ma mo no gi training sessions da se da akhoi gi mark no calculate gani aduna gi attendance gi no gi punctual oi ba adu ma yam da loi number count or kane ba mission statement amalai ko Miss Manipur organization gi oina to promote honor and advance the status of women we aim to bring communal harmony and peaceful coexistence of people forgetting their differences of ethnicity belief caste creed race and religion ko akoina seda akoina judgment or matam da akoina sagi impartially treat on have again admire da akoina seda please especially ko tribal or Meitei akoina Meitei oi bini na Meitei misang sa na ekta khanba sigi concept sa adum lai ro please adu thadok piyo ko adu gumba da karim ta lai ro ba ko si jam it's and everything akoina yamna clear oina yamna fair oina judgment or ka deba hangra aduna nang no just give your best adu ko last ko gi vision ko to be always the desired ko honored and the state's most prestigious ko beauty pageant Miss Manipur platform should be the dream destination for every Manipuri woman to unfold herself, providing professional and various opportunities to the Miss Manipur winners. Make them wear the coveted crown for a purpose to make a positive difference individually as well as for the state. Aduna haziki akogi purpose mission amsung vision lay aduga haziki akoina sonana sa hagi budo akoi sigi mutunga kano je parents nge akoina yahon janingi se ken haba matamda akoina hai ga hai de hai ko mudum yaw bo yaw do angang sing aduna parents sing zu kindly coordinate to biyo every year khodi akoina ngasagi de tensi mun akoina input ya gi maximum input pi gani aduga masagi akoina legal agreement sign down se akoi last year de gi hore last year gi mamang de issue am thome do last year de gi dum kitang changes am lai aduga luckily akhoi hard work hai ga adu de gi akoina ngasi bo monung da akoina viral chat ba hani unwanted videos kuma viral chat ba yaw hon bi ra kanoba akoina adumaina tholok oi khan be gi akoina thazara ba ngaktane ba akoina noi da seta tawri ba ma'am je khan kyan tara ba music thara ga satu du khatana te noi gi question answer guma mayam du da please adu da noi ya de gi kanna hona biyo ba kyan tara ba overall budi maru ore ko
beauty contest in that trasu no life da other aspects da ko no ina adum kana ba lo ba ya ba topic ma'am ma interesting or ma'am yauri adu ya koi tour yauri asi khudong chak se phachana lo bi ba noi ki hair makeup artist adu da adum amtan ni aro dress ke amta noi matha sa dingai kem la aro dress ke mu chen ni ki ba ke mu chen ni taw do che hala roi ba khoi ki di amta
adu ka marak thana kano se akhoi ki Miss Manipur se khwai digi paisa ting da ba contestant ki side digi paisa khwai digi ting da ba plus genuine ba beauty pageant ne ko to be very honest khwai digi maru oina lamjingba group na fully echo handa sponsor to bi rak pane bo exclusively powered by lamjingba group aduga akhoi ki TOMTV lamjingba gi ma kha no ne dum family ni TOMTV ko exclusively TOMTV na loinma coverage so bi rakani media partner aduga lamjingba caps ko adu moi zoom out kani akhoi ki transportation gi matanda aduga akhoi na se na strictly akhoi na rules and regulations pull up ti pa roi ke ko adu khoi marui na akhoi ki unmarried single and not engaged ko sigum ba akhoi na adu class ho gra kana khona mi je discover tor ko investigate tor kana phanga ko yawe adu tadi directly akhoi na dum out to gani ko na wa yaw gra du thengna ba yaw gra adu ga noi na answer bi ba matam English or Manipuri ke shukai de ko but point to the phasa hello
Miss Manipur ki audition je am tough foi hai ba mi loi mak na ado khoi tough foi hali se adu dan nai khai kra ga de hayang lai re
tough foi is just basic ne ba khoi na tham je basic ne ba khoi 5-3 tham ma me ba na hai che 5-3 de mi lak de ba chena ha ba 5-2 hon ta ko de mi lai se na ba abi khoi state ki matung ina khoi gi reason gi matung ina condition do ye ga na reasonable me mong ne ba tham je ko khoi gi judges am so organizer ki decision to the final again any problem thol ko matam da lai re again any dispute entertain da roi este level Miss Manipur committee na ada moi ki makha da ne ba khoi na amuk akhoi da aya ba pira ga na moi na akhoi senala ko ne ba khangra aduna moi na muk ai no akhoi gi Manipur gi ILP ma thoko matam da ima mari manga lai do khangra moi ki body ina chauna lai bo aduna ne moi na Manipur da conservative society of the dress ko ba ya de na mai na mayam ma lai bido ada moi na ta se na thing da be wana ta bida moi na su mayam ma section biri ba khoi da ta se na macha gi type to ko aduna moi ma khala ta bu ne aduna please kindly coordinate da khoi sida lai ba mi si khatan de na te ko Miss Manipur gi khoi organizer sing hai ta re adu ga noi ki contestant number se akhoi lottery ta kana noi ki serial number do hana khan do si ko adu noi ki na sai gi adu Last Lloyd Jibo, makan di kan ko. Ada t-shirt orang macam jeans so kan.
hai ne pat ta
Jadi wan ada kan lagi pemung ada kan.
Lamjingba Palme, contestant number 10.
Lumgai Lupan Mai, contestant number 9.
I'm Sing Sing Panmay, your contestant number 6.
Hello, Serena Nauram, contestant number 13.
I'm Marlene Monchi and my contestant number is 5. I'm Sanasam Yang Chanu, contestant number 1.
Memorandum of Understanding. We, the undersigned, the contestants of Miss Manipur 2019, do hereby solemnly affirm and state as under. Number 1, that we are contestants of Miss Manipur 2019, which is being organized by Miss Manipur organization. Number 2, that we will abide by the rules and regulations framed by the organizers of Miss Manipur 2019, and the decision of the judges and organizers will be final. Number 3, that we will not dispute with the result of judges and organizers of Miss Manipur 2019. Number 4, that we also undertake that the top 3 winners of the Miss Manipur 2019 will not participate in any of the state level beauty pageant in any form during the running period of 1 year. Number 5, that we further undertake that the top 3 winners of Miss Manipur 2019 will not get married or engaged during the running period of 1 year. Number 6, that we also further undertake if the top 3 winners of Miss Manipur 2019 indulge in any of the aforesaid activities, the respective titles and cash prize will be taken back and the respective crown will be dethroned. Number 7, that we will not indulge in any controversial issues, and if found, the titles be dethroned and cash prize be taken back.